So in this video I'll be walking you through how to develop a website that could send bulk email, bulk SMS and bulk WhatsApp messaging. So let's take a quick dive into how it looks. But before we go on to doing that, first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and subscribe into our channel, and also like and share. Secondly, if you need one of the first thing you need to do is check the link in the description to download this particular script, which will be the bane and one of the foundation that we'll be needing to develop this particular software. So let's quickly take a look at how our website will look like at the end of the day once we are done developing this particular platform. So to access this particular software, as I said before, check the link in the description to get this particular software. So let's go ahead and check out the front end of this website. So this is the front end look of the website. And let's check out the admin panel. This is the admin panel of this particular website. Sign in, you click sign in, then you get to explore the admin panel and the features of the website. So you can see clearly here. Here shows the dashboard of everything that the website entails. Here you have the member list, your customers, the gateway setups for email gateway, email and the SMS gateway. We also have contacts and all of that. The front end section design, if you want to design it to how you want it to look, your logos and all of that. So you get to see that. And then for the user, for the customer panel, let's go ahead and sign in. Let's check out the customer panel. So here we are signed in to the customer panel, and then we get to see the plan section where you will subscribe to pick the plans. This is an SAS platform, i.e. you can sell a subscription to anyone that uses your software, and that will be designed in the admin panel somewhere in the settings. And the gateway, the messages, the email gateway, APIs, the messages that you want to use, templates and all of that. So here the user can include their email, SMS gateway that they want to use, the Android gateway, the WhatsApp cloud API provider they want to use. So you input it there, and then everything in it basically. So this is how the software looks. Let's go ahead and check it out and set it up for use. So the first thing you want to do is, as usual, use the link in the description to purchase the software. After you purchased it, then I'll walk you through the installation process. Next thing you want to do is get a cloud service, and one of the recommended cloud services that you should use is DigitalOcean. For this particular tutorial, because it's a tutorial, and it's also recommended you don't use shared hosting. Probably get yourself a VPS hosting provider, or you get yourself DigitalOcean, or you use a particular one, and that provider also recommended. But as usual, just ensure it's a VPS, single dedicated VPS, singularly for you, that you use to for this particular software. So I have my own downloaded software here with me. Then I will be going ahead to upload the software into the platform. So to do that, it's pretty simple. I'll be going to my cPanel as usual, and since I want to use a subdomain, I'll be using a subdomain. I'll be creating a subdomain first. For this particular instance, I'll be using a subdomain, so I'll be creating a subdomain. So let's go ahead and create a subdomain. I'll be calling it Xsender. Bulk xsender.com.ng. That's my domain. I'm just here creating subdomain share details. Click that subdomain immediately. Once that is done, then I will go ahead and upload the file in the file manager and then go ahead and create the database. So to go to the file manager, we're going to the file manager now. To just go to the search to search for file manager, and voila, file manager. That should open. Then I'll search for the subdomain folder I created. This is a Xsender file. Then I'll click upload and I'll go ahead and upload the file here. So here is the file here. That's it. And once that is uploaded, the next thing, while this is uploading, I'll go ahead and create my database So I am creating my database now. The name Xsender, the name, and then for the user, personally call it Xsender. I'm making it simple, similar. It doesn't matter if you make it similar, it's still going to be performing the same purpose. So this is the password generator here to generate the password. I've copied it as password. I'll save the password somewhere here, and then go ahead and create the user. And the next thing I want to do is I want to connect both the user and the database together. So I will choose the user.
slow up. up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not.
Put in the app name, call it bug tester. It's in production. Production simply means live server. In development, that means you want to do other customization, and then you want to ensure the app URL is the same thing as this one. Then you move to next, set up your database. So I'm using my SQL for my database, and then you want to leave the database name. So I have my database name here. So since it's simple, I'll just copy it and then input it there. Database name, database username is the same thing as well, and then my password for my database is it here. Copy it. Just remove this daily news, and then go back, put my database password, and then click to install. And then click to install. Okay, there's an error somewhere there. My purchase code input, so I'll do that again. Alright, so once you've input your database details and all of that, you get to this stage. So the mistake then was my purchase code, and I've input it correctly, and then you should get to this stage. And then you say application has been installed, admin credential to login, username admin, password admin. So you want to note down these two because that will be your default login. So it will be click here to go to admin portal, or click here to, or just use this, open a new tab, and then click there, go to user panel. And then you can see both dashboard correctly. So here we have the a user panel for you to access it. Let's go ahead and sign in, and then for the admin, just input your admin, and then you'll be able to access the admin panel correctly. Okay, just reload. Then it should, okay, that way there's an error somewhere there. Admin. Oh, sorry, you need to input the correct password there. Anyways, that's it. So The default login, let me go and check it in the documentation. Let's pause and get the default login. So here it is, the admin panel. So let me show you again. So I show you how I accessed it. So it's just same thing, admin, and then admin, and then you'll be able to access the admin panel. Voila, very simple, straightforward. You have the admin panel there, and then you can start setting up the whole thing and start using it. Then from there you can just go ahead. For you to access user, let's go to member and create a member for yourself. And add user, you can use the demo login to add user, or you can just log in, accessing that demo user, and you should be able to access the user account. You can see it there. So the user can see everything, and then you can start using the Xsender. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.